How much money can I make on Friday, the 2nd of January 2026? Today I'm going to be using 3 apps. I'll be using Deliveroo, Uber and Stuart. It's currently 6:38. I'll get myself logged on and we'll see how it turns out and see how much money we can make up till, say, what, 9 o'clock? It's asked me to take a picture of myself on Uber. Thank you for verifying. We are online with Uber and let's go on to Deliveroo. Our first delivery has come through. It's McDonald's, Oxford Road, £6.10. Let's do it. 3.3 miles to McDonald's, so let's get down there. And I can turn that into a double. So it's telling me to please wait. We'll see about that. Good morning. I don't think it's ready yet. I've got a Reuben C 59cc6.
For your safety, isn't it?
I am sorry. I've got another one to pick up as well, which is OBOE1. Fantastic. Thank you.
It's good.
Okay, look after yourself. Oh, he was a nice bloke. No, can't get out that way. Very talkative. Right, we've got 3 minutes, 0.9 miles to the customer. Okay then. At this point, I didn't realise the camera was not recording behind me. Do you have a pin at all, please?
Hold on, let me phone them. 17.
Thank you. One down. Hello, how are you? Sorry, I got myself a bit confused there. Right, that. And that is for you, thank you. I think, no, that's it, lovely, thank you. Delivery there for £9.65. Going 9.1 miles, no. Not driving all the way out to Wokingham to do that. 2 deliveries down, and I'm currently at £8.87, which is not as much as what I thought it worked out at, but suddenly gone quiet out there. 7:36. Nearly been an hour, and I've made £8. Head back up into Tyler to see if we can pick anything up. But we're not doing very well at all. It's 8:01. I've had a few deliveries come through that I've rejected because they're just too far away. I'll sit for a little bit longer, otherwise this is going to be a really short video. I'll come back to you once we've hopefully got a delivery come through. Things are that quiet, I've even switched on GoFare, not that I expect anything from there yet. Done 8 miles so far. This breakfast run's not turning out to be very good. Although the guy I was talking to in McDonald's earlier on, he did tell me he made over 200 quid yesterday in, I think it was 8 hours. Which is good going, but then, you know, New Year's Day, I suppose it is going to be busy, isn't it? As where today everybody's either gone back to work or they're just, you know, haven't got any money left to spend. It's saying it's busy everywhere apart from where I need it to be. On Deliveroo, Uber, let's have a look at the heat map. It says McDonald's on the Bath Road is busy. Do I risk it for a biscuit and go down there? It's amazing because Uber says it's busy at McDonald's and Deliveroo says it's not busy there at all. Let's take an opportunity and let's go down to McDonald's and see if anything comes through. we're not that far away from it anyway, so. We've had a delivery come through for the Switch, £3.94. Typically, I've literally just driven away from where the Switch was, which is a little bit frustrating, but it keeps us local, so in my eyes, it's got to be worth it. Go back round and go and get it. Hello. Yes, 469. Hello. Yes.
Candy's Park Square.
That's literally where I am in the van. Yeah. Oh, really? I didn't realise that. Sorry. I'll take that all day long. Thank you. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you.
Oh, I bet in the floor. I mean, you know what it was wet.
Thank you. Bye. Right, 0.7 miles to the customer. Get ourselves turned around here. Good morning.
Morning, mate. You all right?
How are you? All right?
Very well. How are you?
Not too bad, mate. Thank you. Did you have a good Christmas and New Year?
It's all right, thanks. How was yours?
Yeah, goes too quick, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. It's telling me.
That's for you, mate.
Brilliant.
Can I just take the 2-digit delivery?
Yeah,
Order code,
52,
please. 52.
52.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Brilliant.
Enjoy
Cheers,
your
mate.
meal. Thank
See
you.
you later.
Take care. Right, that was a nice and easy one. That is done. Right, nothing else has come through. It's 8:31. I'm going to do another half an hour at least. You know, so I've made, what, just over £10 now. But do I stay in Tilehurst or do I take a punt and go down to McDonald's? I think I'll go down to McDonald's. I'll take a chance. I've had one come through for Sainsbury's supermarket, but it's in the middle of town. I can't get in there. This is turning into a really bad morning. Really bad morning. I think I could have stayed in bed. I thought I'd try my luck, and as it turns out, my luck's not with me. And now I'll come down here. It's trying to now send me 8.2 miles away to Caversham. You know, don't get me wrong, £10.38 is not too bad, but it's just too far. Even further away. Somebody's parked in my parking space. Tosser. This is going to be a pretty piss poor video. So what have I made so far? So I started it 20 to 7. It's now 20 to 9. So what's that? 2 hours. And I've made £8.87 on Uber and £3.94 on Deliveroo. £12.81. That's just over £6 an hour. And yes, I know you're going to say I've turned down some jobs, but what I do, I'm going to move. I'm going to go over to that parking spot now it's available, and we'll see if anything else comes through. Very quiet, too quiet. Delivery's dropped down to not being busy at all. I think I might write today off, as I don't think it's a really good day today. So yeah, I think it's time to call it. So yeah, not a good day today. I'll go home. I've got a couple of videos I need to edit anyway, so I'll do that. If you are new around here, make sure you subscribe. I'd love to get as many subscribers as I can. I'm currently at 1,019. My target is to get to 5,000, which is a big ask. However, 2026. I'll see you in the next video.